lifetime. So umpisahan na po tayo natin kung ano po itong Live Good na to. Excited po ba tayo? Ayan. So who is Live Good? Just on the name itself. Just on the name itself, it describes already. Sino po ba si Live Good? We are here to live good. Okay. So, Live Good opportunity. So, unlike in most home-based business platform, so ang Live Good po is not all about highly overpriced products. This is all about saving money on health products. Alam niyo po ba na ang health is wealth? I've been in this industry for 15 years and dealing with topmost healthy products. And ito po ang masaklap na na-experience ko. A lot of people after my presentation, thorough explanation on the products, they would tell me, alam mo Miss V, ang ganda ng product na shinare mo. But the problem is, hindi namin afford. Grabe. So anong mangyayari po sa atin doon? Papasukan po natin ng malupit na skill sets para yung tao na yun ay ma-close natin at ma-convert natin siya from becoming a user to become a pusher. So dito po, if you have the passion for health and wealth, this is the opportunity for you. And if you have the passion of helping people to get healthy, okay, and this is the opportunity for you. So we are not here looking for a get rich quick scheme. Nandito po tayo because we are here to coach you, to guide you kung ano po yung mga gagawin natin mga simple steps para maabot po ang ating mga pangarap. So ano pong meron po dito sa Live Good? We are into a club membership. We are into a club membership that pay. Hello, magjo-join ka into a club membership. We are the revolutionary form of network marketing. You can earn money as a club member. Are you with me? With Live Good, whether or not you refer any other members to the program. So meaning to say, pwede po tayong kumita na kahit wala tayong in-enroll? Yes, makinig po tayo. So is Live Good. Live Good is based in US. Okay, it's in Jupiter, Florida, based in the Rake Sales Company focused on wellness and digital service platform. So grabe po yung ating pong marketing digital system is highly sophisticated, as most of you nakita po natin kung ano po ang ating pong landing page. So what is our mission? Our mission is to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. Hindi na po natin kailangan ang mamahaling mga produkto. Kasi ang sabi po ng ating marketing director na si Noder Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. Tapos na po yun. So kumbaga, si David, grabe, sinapol niya po si Goliath, and to tell you, we are the envy of this industry. Okay, palakpakan naman po natin si Live Good. And allow me to share to you our we are so proud of this man. Okay, the reason behind why Live Good is here, our CEO, Ben Glinsky, with over more than 20 years of experience owning and running some of the most successful companies in nutritional supplement industry. And Ben knows how to help people win. So kumbaga, ito si Ben Glinsky is really a network marketer at alam na alam niya po ano ang puso, ano ang pahirap, ano po ang industriyang ito. Kaya kung mapapansin po ninyo, sobra pong bullseye, no? Sobrang sapul na lahat ng mga pahirap tinanggal niya po dito sa Live Good. Okay, let us continue listening. And then, true leadership creates a true success. So this is our corporate team. We have the couple, the power couple, Ryan Goodkins and Lisa Goodkins, our director for product developments, okay? And of course, our very, very friendly, okay, highly approachable, very humble director of network marketing, no other than Noder Kazan. So my Live Good fam, they are our corporate team. So what is in Live Good? Meron po tayo ditong over 16. Actually, right now, we already have 16 highly affordable products with unmatched quality. Unmatched quality products na all of them are GMP approved. So with the highest quality products, the purest, most natural ingredients from the most pristine locations on the planet and the world-class manufacturing facilities. So with the presence of our product development directors, they scrutinize the quality of the products that we have. So these are all made in USA, approved by GMP. So these are the yes, GMP. I just forgot the exact meaning. So okay, good manufacturing process. Sorry. So these are lab tests for purity and potency. So there is really a clinical and scientific validation towards these products that we have in Live Good. So wellness for all. So ano po yung ating pong pangangailangan? It caters to everybody. We have the men's health, skincare, immunity, nutrition, body cleansing, weight management, women's health, anti-aging, energy. We got it all in Live Good. Grabe, no? So gusto nyo ba na lahat ng mga produktong nakikita nyo sa harapan, lahat yan ay gagamitin nyo ng murang-mura at pwedeng libre na may sukli pa. So how do I order the products? Order as a consumer or member. Consumers pay retail low prices, or you can order it, members pay lower prices. Ayan po. So Live Good member. So once you become an affiliate member of Live Good, you can purchase the products 75% lesser or lower than out compared to products in other network marketing companies. Yan po yung kaibahan po natin. Dahil yung produkto natin dito sa Live Good, we will be purchasing that at almost factory price. Are you with me? So with that alone, so take a look. Tingnan po natin ng mabuti. We have here the price comparison of our Live Good CBD oil. So yung ating pong competitor, the price of the CBD oil is $89.99 and $79.95. And this one is ang kanila pong ml, alam ko po mas maliit po ang measurement nito. But with Live Good, we have 750 ml good quality of CBD oil, pero babayaran lang po natin ng $18. So saan ka pa? Doon pa lang palong-palo na. So with the price comparison, with the super greens. Wow, I love this. Alam niyo po ba itong super greens, talagang mamamangha po kayo sa lahat ng components po nandyan. Kung hindi po kayo mahilig kumain ng mga gulay, ng mga vegetables, I could say, I highly recommend super greens. At babayaran lamang po natin yan ng $18. The competitor are selling that at a higher price. Okay. So, yes, you can check it out na lahat po ng mga products natin like the ageless, yung mga facial cream, we are really 75% lesser. Okay? So pwede po natin yung i-navigate like the ageless, okay? So we also have the multivitamins for men and women. Grabe, no? So ang laki po ng mura po natin. So saan ka bibili? Sa 75% more expensive than the one which is 75% lesser. I know your answer. You better go with Live Good. Okay po. So ayan, we have the Super Reds. Ang gaganda po ng mga products na meron po tayo. You can check it out. Talagang mga highly lower price products. The proteins, wow, this coffee. Alam niyo po ba yung coffee na yan? Na yan po talaga ang iniinom ko tuwing umaga na naglalas po ang gutom ko hanggang hapon, alas 4. Minsan yung brunch ko, umaabot po ako ng 4 o'clock na hindi po ako nagugutom. At super natural, it's highly organic. It is something like slimming coffee. It's that. Okay. So, na-amaze po ba tayo sa mga products natin? Doon pa lang, palakpakan naman po natin si Live Good for coming up with this top grade and much quality product which are highly affordable. Now, how to become a Live Good member? You got to register on your sponsors link, the so-called landing page. Play nyo po yun. Register nyo yung name at saka yung inyong apelido with your email address. And then you got to pay $9.95 per month. Okay? But if you got to pay for an annual basis, makakatipid po tayo ng 2 months. Babayaran nyo lamang po siya ng $99.95. Okay, bayad na po tayo sa loob ng 1 taon. Pero magbabayad po tayo ng one time $40. One time $40 to become a member of Live Good. Then you have the privilege and the benefits to purchase the product at a wholesale price, almost factory price, na hindi ka po obligado. Kasi dito po sa Live Good, tapos na po yung mga pahirap. Okay? So, ano nga ulit tayo? We are in a subscription method. We are in a subscription form. Naiintindihan po ba natin ang subscription? Okay. So ito po yung mga subscription na alam po natin. Like for example, Amazon Prime, Sam's Club, Netflix. So yung Netflix, sikat na sikat po yan, lalong-lalo na ng panahon ng pandemic. So ang maaani lamang po natin dyan is tataas lang ang inyong bills. But yung Netflix po, ito po yung pumalit sa mga blockbuster movie na hindi mo na po kailangan lumabas para manood po tayo ng movie. Na nandiyan ka lang sa loob ng bahay mo, you are paying a subscription. Are you with me? And then you can watch unlimited movie. So Costco, pwede kang mamili ng mga products. Labas-masok ka doon for a certain amount na ma-avail mo yung privilege ng Costco department store. So Disney and so on and so forth. Like for example, the Zoom. Ito pong Zoom na to na ginagamitan po natin. We are using this through subscription method. But here is my question. Ito pong mga subscription na to, meron po bang bumabalik sa atin? Wow! Hello? Wala. Diba? So, ano ang meron? Tingnan po natin na mabuti. Kumikita ba ang subscription industry? So with Zoom, alam niyo po ba kung magkano ang kinita nila? They produce 2.65 billion annual revenue. So we are giving a big participation in the sales worldwide. So 230.75 million subscribers in Netflix. How would you imagine na darating ang panahon na si LiveGood ay meron pong ganyang subscribers? Hello? So what about 230.75 million subscriber, and then they generated 31.6 billion US dollars annual revenue for 2022. What is the meaning of this? Ipinapakita lamang po sa atin na through subscription, there is really a huge potential to make a lot of money. So what else? Let's go to the next. Tingnan po natin to pong Costco. They have 59 million members, household members, and with 107 card holders. So ano po ang meron po dito? 88% worldwide renewal rate. So ibig sabihin nagre-renew po, at ito pong Costco nakapag-generate po sila ng 3.5 billion in membership fees alone. Ayan. So kung mag-aaral po tayong mabuti, if feasible pa si LiveGood as a business, take a look on this. With the subscription platform, it generated 1 billion sales, pero wala pong pay. But with LiveGood, babayaran po tayo. Okay, ganun ba yon? Yes. So now, let's continue. LiveGood, there is a question. So I'm gonna give you. Would you like to earn up to $2,000 or more per month? For those interested in earning with LiveGood, stay for a second part of the presentation. Gusto niyo ba yon? Kikita ka ng $2,000 per month? Wow. Okay, ako gustong-gusto ko po yon. Tuloy-tuloy lamang po natin. LiveGood affiliates, we also give you the opportunity to earn income with the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. So grabe, nakaka-excite po tayo. Nakaka-excite po ito. How to become an affiliate member again? Register ka doon sa sponsors link mo. Magbabayad ka ng $49.95 on your first month, and on the succeeding month, you get to pay $9.95. Okay, so pag nag-annual, makakatipid po kayo ng 2 months. How do I get with $49.95? Ano po ang kapalit pag inilabas niyo po yon? Listen carefully. Talagang wala po itong risk. Why? You access to a membership club, digital marketing products, na ibig sabihin pwede po kayong bumili, unlimited, participate in the compensation plan. Are you with me? So dito po, bibigyan po tayo ng replicated website. We will be given the retail shop store, and we are given the power landing page. Now, pag-usapan na po natin yung usapang kitaan. The compensation plan structure will be powered by a powerful unilevel and a forced matrix. Okay. So dalawang klase po ito, no? Okay. Dalawang klase po tayo dito kikita. Okay. Meron pong tinatawag na wide. Ito po yung tinatawag na unilevel. So doon pa lang sa nakita po nating drawing, meaning to say, ayan po, malawak. So you can do the business unlimitedly wide. Meron din naman pong isang tinatawag pong ng matrix commissions. So we have here on the board, which we got 7 ways to earn. We have the weekly fast start, okay? We have the retail commissions, okay? Influencer bonus, diamond bonus pool, crown diamond bonus pool, okay? The matching bonuses with the matrix commissions. So isa-isahin po natin ito. Okay, so weekly fast start bonus 10th level dip. Alam niyo po, ang nakakatuwa po dito sa Live Good, when we talk about network marketing, ang pinag-uusapan po natin dyan ay residual income, leverage, tama. So ito po yung income na gagawin mo ngayon, kikitain mo ng tuloy-tuloy in the future. But you know what, in Live Good, you can make your fortune now. You can create a now income. And I could tell you, the more na masipag ka, the more na lalaliman mo yung dahilan bakit gagawin mo to, the more nayayaman ka. Sabi nga po ng ating pong coach Fernan Santiago, dalawa lang po ang pupuntahan mo dito. It's either kumita ka or yumaman ka. So dito po, okay, apply. Sandali po. Okay, so doon po sa ating pong weekly fast start bonus, sa lahat ng mga tao na in-enroll mo sa business na to, they sign up with a $49.95. Company will give you 50% of that, which is $25 per person that joins under your directs. So ito po yung ating pong direct referral, $25 ng $25. And the question is, ilan bang directs ang kaya mong i-enroll? You can enroll 50, 10, 100, or more. So ang ating pong number 1 in the world, grabe, close na po siya sa 1,000 enrollees. Ang ating pong upline, grabe, so palakpakan naman po natin. So with $25 bonuses on every referral, there is no auto ship. Remember that. No quota, no volume requirements. Saan ka nakakita ng ganon? Na napakadali. You just introduce the business, you focus on your focus of what? Sharing your landing page na meron pong ibibigay sa Live Good, and then all the persons that join under your referral links, meron po tayo dyang $25. And then ito pong ating pong Zoom, this is a setup support system na ipa-plug in nyo lamang po ang inyong mga tao. Gusto ko lang pong explain sa inyo that I've been here for more than 3 months. I'm running to 4 months. But this is the very first time I conducted my own presentations here. Applying, thank you for giving me the opportunity to be here. Pero alam niyo po, napalaki ko po ang organization ko by just plugging into the system and inviting my guests to be here. So ganun lamang po yun, dadalhin niyo lang po sila. At sa bawat taong nagsa-sign up na nakapanood po ng landing page, nakapag-nood po nitong pong ating Zoom, nakapanood ng mga recorded video presentations, me, myself, and having my pep talk. So ano po yun? Lahat ng mga yung kumikita po tayo ng $25. But wait, there's more. We have the weekly fast start bonus to 10th level dip. Yes, 10th level dip. Hindi po tayo dito kikita lang doon sa ating mga directs. Depending upon on your ranks, may rank po tayo dito. So, ibig sabihin, this seems like to be a career. Na pag kinareer nyo po talaga, pwede po kayong kumita ng professional income. So, meaning to say, the moment you treated your business professionally, then that is the time you could get a professional income. So, take a look on this. Sa first level mo, meron po kayong $25. Pag ikaw po ay naging bronze, ano ba yung bronze? 2 tao lang po yun. Okay, pag yan po ay naging bronze tayo, we will get additional 10%, at yan po ay $5. And the moment we become silver, ano ba yung silver? So we're not here to explain exactly. So maybe on the next succeeding slides, we got to explain you what is silver. So ang ibig sabihin lang mo po dito, as you position yourself higher and higher, ang ating pong uni-level income ay aabot po hanggang doon sa 10th level. Are you with me? Based on the rank you are in, you will determine how many level you can earn each week. Kaya kung ako sa inyo dito, paspasan po natin talagang mag-rank up, kasi the higher the rank, the deeper the matching bonus is. Clear po ba? So yun po ay uni-level po yun, unlimited, nagwa-wide, lahat ng directs po natin, first level po natin sila. Irregardless of the position on the matrix setup. Okay. So now, pumunta na po tayo doon sa pangalawa, which is the 2x15 matrix monthly commissions. This is too simple. Matrix commissions are 25 cents given to each active member that pays their monthly membership of $9.95. So imagine niyo po yung sarili niyo that you are on top. You are on top. At lahat po ng mga taong underneath your organization up to the 15th level, 12th level, 13th level, 14th level, depending upon on your ranks, sa lahat po ng tao na malalaglag po sa inyong organization, either your direct, indirect, or spillover, uulitin ko again, spillover, kasi po dito, whether you like it or not, there will be some people na malalaglag po sa ating pong organizations. So tingnan niyo po ito ng mabuti. Wow! So dito po, you are on top. Nag-enroll tayo ng dalawa, okay? So yung dalawa na yon, pag nag-enroll ng dalawa, di ba? This is the power of leveraging. This is the power of duplications. That if you are going to imagine na pwede po tayong kumita ng $2,000 per month, okay? Na pag napuno po yung ating pong matrix, company will give us almost $2,000, $2,047 by giving 25 cents sa bawat tao po na nag-belong doon po sa ating pong matrix. So paano po yan nag-work? Okay po. Pag tayo po ay unranked, ibig sabihin po ng unranked, wala kang in-enroll, wala kang ginawa. You are just a happy subscriber. Yes, you are just a happy subscriber na hindi ka nag-enroll. Dito lang ako nakarinig na kahit hindi ka nag-enroll ng kahit isa, pero pag nalagyan ka po ng spillover, pwede kang kumita. Wow, yes. Kasi dito po sa Live Good, dalawa lang ang pupuntahan natin. It's either you are a spill maker or you are a spill waiter. Kasi whether you like it or not, magtiyaga lang po tayo, magbayad tayo, tuloy-tuloy, at huwag tayong magre-reklamo. Ito po yung sinasabi ko lagi na this is the future income. Hindi ka nag-enroll, pero pwede kang kumita. Paano po yon? Sa lahat ng tao na under your organization, if you are unranked, kikita po tayo hanggang sa 12 level deep. Sa kanina pong computations na yung triangular structure na pinakita po kanina, so tingnan niyo po ito. Yung dalawa, di ba, the first level are 2. So yung 2 naging 4, naging 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, 1024, 2048, 12 level deep na kahit hindi ka nag-enroll, yung mga tao na yan, kikita ka ng 25 cents at dyan po papalo yung potential income na $2,000, $2,047 month after month, after month, after month, assuming na puno na po ang matrix nyo. But wait, there's more. Kahit hindi pa puno ang matrix mo, merong 2 dyan, may 3 dyan, may 10 dyan, may 20 dyan, 100. Regardless of the numbers, as long nagbayad po ng $9.95, all of the members under your organization, the company will give you the matrix bonus of 25 cents per member. Yes. Grabe. Nakakakilig. Gustong-gusto nyo ba yon? Alam nyo po, totoo si Matrix. Nagugulat po ako. Let me just share to you quickly. Alam nyo, meron akong kaibigan. She is my very good friend. Sa dami ng tinawagan ko nung ako po ay nag-join, siya ang kauna-unahang sumali at sa lahat po ng power leg ko na 2, nalaglag po sa kanya. On her second matrix month, you know how much money she made? $200+. Ilan ang in-enroll niya? 3 lamang po. Grabe. So kaya totoo po sa matrix. Pero we cannot guarantee you that you can do it after how many months? It depends. Depends po yun sa lalaglag na tao sa'yo. Pero yan pong spillover, yan po ay beyond our control. So what we can control is really build an organization and be a spill maker. So wait, there's more. Para po yun doon sa mga unranked. But there is a good news. Pag tayo po ay naging bronze and silver, we're gonna make up to the 13th level na hindi lang $2,047 ang potential income mo sa matrix. Pwede pong pumalo yan ng $4,000+. Pag tayo naman po ay gold at saka platinum, pwede po tayo ditong kumita ng $8,000+. Pretty exciting, isn't it? Pero pag tayo po ay nag-diamond, the potential income on the matrix is $16,000 plus. So meaning to say, lahat tayo pre-prehas lang. Pre-prehas lang. Okay? Pre-prehas tayo diamond. The potential income in the matrix is 16,000 plus. Pre-prehas lang yon. Okay. Pero ito po ang nakaka-excite. Dito po ako hindi nakatulog. Dito po talaga. Kaya dito sa Live Good, pag nakitaan mo ng magandang opportunity, pag sinamahan mo, naggagalingan mo, aayusin mo ang sarili mo, yung belief level mo, yung skill sets mo, yung mindsets mo, imposibleng hindi tayo dito yumaman. Bakit? Kasi sa lahat ng taong tinutulungan mo, the essence of network is focusing on helping other people attain their goal. Teach them to be the person that they wanted to be. Kasi the moment na nakapag-build po tayo ng mga leaders down the line, lahat po yun may 50% tayo na matching bonus sa lahat ng ating pong directs. Ilang direksyon? Grabe. Mag-calculate po kayo. Ilan yung na-enroll nyo? Sa mga directs nyo, ilan ang nangangarap na maging diamond? Paulit-ulit sinasabi ng ating mga upline dito, kung seryoso ka, 3 to 6 months, you can be diamond. Babagal-bagal, 1 year, 2 years. Pero ibig sabihin, may future na nag-aantay sa atin dito sa Live Good na ang basihan, depende na lang po sa atin. Kasi yung sasakyan natin, isa lang, Live Good lang. Sinong nagkakaiba? Tayo po. Yung cooperation natin on how we're gonna work it out will depend on us. Okay. And the good news is, sa lahat ng directs mo, 50% ng matrix nila, sa mga taong busy, kumikita ng $2,047, nagsusubscribe lang sila, meron kang 50%, and that is $1,000. So imagine mo kung ilan sila nun. Paano kung may mga leaders ka, may mga direct ka na pinangarap mag-diamond at sila nga ay nag-diamond and they make $16,000. 50% of that belongs to you. Hello, you do your math. And that is unlimited. Kasi ito po ay wide. What? But wait, there's more. Meron po tayo dito tinatawag na 5-generation dip. At maluto. Ako po nung scrutinize ko yung akin pong matrix bonus, hindi ko po siya naiintindihan eh. Pero ito lang po ang sinasabi na meron po tayo ditong 10% sa silver, second generation, gold 5%, platinum 5%, diamond 3%. So based on the rank that you are in will determine how many generations you can earn each month. Are you with me? So ibig sabihin, habang gagalingan natin ito, tumataas ang ranggo natin, palalim ng palalim ang ating pong mga overriding or ang ating pong mga uni-level or mga matrix bonuses na makukuha po dito po sa Live Good. Okay. So, grabe no? So may mga computations lamang po tayo. We always play with numbers. Do we have a future in Live Good? Take a look on this. With 30 direct referral. Yung 30, kaya ba natin ng 30? Yes, it is highly attainable. Na kumikita po sila ng 6,000 earnings per month. Halimbawa po, kumita po yung 30 directs mo ng 6,000. 50% is sa'yo. Meron kang $3,000 sa matrix ng 30 directs mo. $3,000 times 30, the potential income is $90,000. So ibig sabihin, trabahuin lamang po natin ito, pwede ka pong kumita ng figure na nakikita mo sa screen. That is 5 million per month. My question is this really worth it? Meron ba kayong makikita ngayon na opportunity with an amount of $49.95? The potential is income. Income is waving you on the screen. 5 million on just direct referral alone. Okay? Matching bonus alone. So what else? 20 direct. Halimbawa po, 20 direct referral. Kumita na po sila ng $2,047. Ito po yung mga hindi nag-enroll. Ito po yung mga nag-subscribe lang. Ito po yung mga taong busy. Busy sa negosyo, busy sa trabaho, walang time na mag-enroll. 50% ang matrix bonus mo, meron kang makukuha na $123 $1,023. Kaya para doon sa mga busy po, wag lang po tayong aangal at wag lang tayong maiinip. Promise, there is really future in Live Good. Okay, so kung 20 sila na kumikita ka ng $1,023, meron kang potential income na $20,000. So you can just play any numbers that you want. You do your own math. Laruin mo yan. Ewan ko lang kung makatulog ka. Kasi ako po, nung nakita ko po yan, grabe po. So dito meron pong ipinapakita na bronze to affiliate family. So ibig sabihin, ipasok niyo lamang po ang pamilya niyo. Ako po, when I joined Live Good, nagsisi pa nga ako eh. Kasi yung 5 anak ko lang ang pinasok ko. Maniwala po kayo. Sila ang nagbayad ng subscription nila, nag-annual yung iba sa kanila, nag-upgrade yung iba sa kanila, and they're making $152 in the second month. Some of them make $42 in the second month, $22, $28, at ang pinakabababa, $13. So I cannot imagine na pwede pala akong kumita sa mga anak ko na busy. Siguro pag kumita na sila ng malaki, mga anak ko, samahan niyo naman ako dito. Natutuwa nga ako yung isa kong anak, nagmamadali talaga. Takot na takot na malaglag sa matrix. Mama, bilis na. Pasahan mo na yung maya ko kasi walang laman. Pabayaran na lang kita mamaya. Baka malaglag na ako sa matrix. Tawa ako ng tawa. So doon ko nakita yung future na pwede pa lang kasama ko na itong mga anak kong to. Pero bakit anong ginawa ko? Pinasok ko sila kasi mahal ko sila. So ikaw nakikinig ka rito, kung sa tingin mo siseryosohin mo yung negosyong ito with an amount of $49.95, think on that. Marami pong lumalabas sa kamay natin na $49.95. Anong nangyari? Saan napunta? Wala lang. With an amount of $9.95, big deal ba yon? Na kung may opportunity ganito? Hello, 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 hello. Are you with me? Ipasok mo yung anak mo. Pasok mo yung anak, ang asawa mo, ang kapatid mo. Kasi alam mo, pagsisisihan mo. Parang ako, sayang naman, di ko pinasok yung mga ate ko. Huli na. Pero natuli. Kasi alam ko bakit. I never stop enrolling. Nag-stop po ako ng 2 months mag-enroll, promise. Nagnilay-nilay po ako last week, umiyak po ako. Saka na ako magkakwento pag nag-diamond ako. Pero alam nyo, nakaka-excite. Bumalik po ulit ang aking energy to do massive enrollment. I'm back. Enroll mo lang ang pamilya mo. Ipasok mo yan. May dalawa na nag-affiliate, di ba? Meron po kayong 4,095 matrix income as bronze. Tapos 2 family members na kumikita ng $4,095, meron ka doon $2,047 na matrix sa anak mo, sa asawa mo, hindi kasama ng kinita nila, ikaw kumita ka ng 4,000 plus. Magkano ang total income nyo as a family? You make a total of $10,238. Kayong tatlo, bronze ka, kikita ka ng 573,000 pesos a month. A month. Maganda ba si Live Good o sobrang ganda? Ngayon, retail commission 10th level dip. Actually, alam mo kung anong ginagawa po natin ngayon? We are building a huge community of people to be part of the club membership of Live Good. But you know what will happen? What will happen? Okay? So teka, apply. May sinabi ang apply ko dito. Para ka lang pong nag-aalkansya ng 560 pesos, pero tuloy-tuloy ka, wag kang pipiyok, wag kang hihinto, wag kang iiyak sa $9.95. Tuloy-tuloy lang, walang arrive buwan-buwan, isipin mo nagtatabi ka lang. Pero pag tinuloy-tuloy mo yan, naniwala ka, pwedeng kang kumita ng figure na pinakita po namin sa inyo dyan. At dito po, pag dumating na po yung time, no, sa lahat ng mga purchases ng mga tao na under our organizations, meron po tayo ditong 50%. Halimbawa, lumaki na po ang organizations. Anong susunod natin gagawin? Halos ang kaibigan, kamag-anak mo nandito na. Eh di ba lahat sila magbebenta-benta na tayo ng mga produkto na yan? Alam nyo ba na 50% ang retail profit natin dyan? Pero hindi ka nagkatok-katok. Hindi ka nag-inventory ng pagkalaki-laki. Hindi ka ma-expire ng product. Hindi ka mamumuhunan. Ano lang ang gagawin mo? I-share mo lang ang retail site mo. The company will give us a dropshipping method. Sila na po ang mag-iimpake ng produkto right at the doorsteps of your clients, open in 200 plus countries. At sana po nakikita nyo yung nakikita namin na yan. Okay po? At kikita pa rin tayo up to 10th level generation dip. So retail commissions, ang dami po mga bonuses na yan. So hindi ko na po yan palalaot-lautin pa na yan. Meron pa mga influencer bonuses na yan na on the influencer bonus, you can earn up to 100% of the difference between the member and the retail price. Wala na natira sa LiveGood, binigay na sa'yo lahat-lahat. So saan ka dyan magaling? Tingnan mo yon. So imaginein mo, ang dami pong paraan para kumita sa LiveGood. But wait, there's more. Grabe. Sino dito ang gusto mag-diamond? Sino dito ang uhaw na mag-diamond? Alam nyo, magpursige lamang po tayo. Yung pag-diamond, it's just a matter of time. Kasi lahat po tayo dito, may triangle na maliliit. Pag yan ay trinabaho po natin talaga at napuno yan, at tayo po ay na-obtain natin yung mga requirements ni LiveGood, diamond na po tayo. May sukli at may reward po yung ating pagpupursige. Alam niyo kung bakit? We are like a co-owner of LiveGood kasi po 2% of the sales from all the membership and the product sales is divided among all the diamonds in the planet Earth. Pang ilang ka kaya? Oh my God! Ako, hindi ko alam kung pang ilan akong diamond. Pero talagang hindi talaga ako papayag na hindi mag-diamond. I made a set. I set myself a plan, a game plan of 3 to 6 months. 3 to 6 months. Kung wala lang siguro mga trahid-trahid diyang mga nangyari. But I declare no excuses. I know, na magiging diamond po tayo. Nakakakilig kasi 2% of the sales ng buong mundo paghahati-hatian po ng mga diamonds. Are you with me? Ako, nakita ko yung diamond pool ng upline ko. Ayoko na lang i-shout out. Pero sabi ko, grabe Lord, pag binigay mo sa akin yan, ano kayo mangyayari? Kaya totoo sinasabi ng upline natin eh. Pangarap ng kapitbahay mo, kaya mong ipagkaloob. Kaya ako dito sa LiveGood, mga ka-LiveGood, alam mo kung ano nangyari sa akin dito? That's why I work like crazy. Lahat ng aking mga pangarap, buhay na buhay. Hallelujah. Okay, so what else? Crown Diamond Pool. Alam niyo ba nung nag-join kami, wala pang ganyan. Pero meron na tayong first ever Crown Diamond. And you know what? In the Philippines, nangangamoy Crown Diamond na din po yung ating pong apply. Hindi magtatagal. So let us congratulate our first ever Crown Diamond in the world, who is Tim Miller, na kung saan 0.5% of the total sales, no, ay mapupunta po sa Crown Diamond. At hati-hati po yun. Kaso nga lang ngayon, nag-iisa pa lang si Tim Miller. Wow, grabe. Solong-solo niya yung profit share na yan. And you know what, Tim Miller? Pag kayo po ay nakinig ng kanya pong story, wow, you will be inspired from homeless to become a Crown Diamond. So, what is the vision? 100 solid direct referral. Siguro, kung titingnan natin yung sarili natin, ako, I could say, I'm really loyal. I'm loyal. Sa dati ko pong company, I've been there for 10 years. Ako na nga lang po yung last kasama ng mga kasama kong mga leaders na naiwan doon. Congratulations kung sino man kayo na nandirito ngayon nakikinig. Kaya ba nating mabuno yung 100 solid direct referral? Ilang years? Kayang-kaya. Let us say, look at this. 100 na solid diamonds. Grabe naman to offline. Nakaka-crazy naman tong projection na to. 100 solid diamonds. 16,383 ang kanilang kikitain. Nakakaloka, di ba? Nakaka-lurky. Meron po kayong 50% na matching bonus. 100 times 8,000. This is a mind-blowing figures. My goodness. So that is $819,000, which you're gonna be making something like 45,873,000 month after month after month, just on the matrix alone. Sa directs mo pa lang yon. Pero alam niyo po ba, hindi tayo doon nagtatapos kasi meron pang uni-level dip na kikitain natin sa lahat ng ating pong sa mga directs natin, depende sa ranggo natin ngayon. So, guys, ito pong ating pong pinaliwanag sa inyo. Pwede nyo sabihin po na too good to be true. Alam niyo po, I could say, nakikita ko na po. It's really too good to be true. Because when I joined Live Good, di ko po alam kung ano talaga yung mangyayari. Pero kinilig lang po talaga ako. Naniwala lang po ako sa instinct. At pakiramdam ko, yun na ang hulog ng langit na isinagot ng Diyos. But right now, where we are right now, we have 350,000 members all over the world in just 5 months. 5 months. So anong ginagawa po natin dito sa Live Good? We are building a rock solid organization na kung titingnan nyo po yung figure na nandyan, this is the next big thing that gonna happen. We are still at the tip of the iceberg. December 2022 to December 2023, at the end of the year, it is possible that the total affiliate members could be 1 million. Ngayon, 350,000 po tayo. Paano, ilang kayang tao ang nandyan sa'yo? Paano kung hindi ka humihinto mag-enroll? Kasi wide, unlimited po ito. Hello? So that is the future that is really waiting for us, because Live Good is the next billion-dollar company. Wait, there's more. Live Good is really a game changer. We are a trendsetter. Tinanggal niya na lahat ng mga pahirap, quota, maintenance, point system, forced buying. Wala nang ganun. Tinanggal na niya in a club membership form. Magkakaroon tayo ng 200 plus products in our shop cart na kung saan para kang may-ari ng Amazon, na para kang may-ari ng Lazada, na para kang may-ari ng Shopee. So with that, nakita niyo po ba ang nakita namin? Is there anything else? Hello? Sapul ba? Well explained ba? Naintindihan po ba natin yung opportunity ng Live Good? Palakpakan naman po natin ang Live Good. Pwede po tayong maglagay dyan ng mga heart emoji, clap emoji. There are 4 reasons why you are going to join us. Number 1, we just officially launched globally. Kalo-launch lamang po noong December 13 of 2023. What else? What else? Top 4 reasons. Number 2, the high quality and very affordable health products. Alam niyo po, health is wealth. Mag-invest po tayo ng health. Pangarapin po natin na lahat ng product lines ng Live Good mainom at magamit natin para bigyan pa tayo ng mas mahabang buhay ng Diyos, at yung merong mission tayo dito sa Live Good ay magampanan po pa natin yan. And number 3 reasons why you are going to join us. The marketing systems, the tools, and the trainings. Alam niyo po ba na meron tayo ditong educational support system? Just on the Dream Makers Worldwide YouTube account ng ating pong uplines, grabe. Lahat na ng gusto mong malaman, andun na po. Yung hub ng ating pong upline si Coach Jessie Garcia. In my own simple way, I have my page, Live Good Soaring Eagles International. So I'm putting all my trainings on there. Isipin mo, yung negosyong ito, hindi mo ito gagawin mag-isa. On the setup of Live Good alone, highly sophisticated marketing tools, mali-leverage natin yan with an amount of $49.95. Sumali po ako sa Live Good, liliwanagin ko po. Minuto lang nung nakita ko ang landing page, because during pandemic, nagpa-quote po ako ng digital automation. Alam mo kung magkano hinihingi sa akin? Almost 300,000 pesos. And during this time, sabi kong ganun, pag-ipunan ko kaya to kasi ibang klase ang babalik eh. Pero sa Live Good, $49.95. $49.95. Saan ka pa? Wala kang lugi. Okay, so what else? Last reason why you are going to join us. Simple, powerful, lucrative compensation plan. I've never seen any pay plan like this. And again, I would like to tell you, sabi nga po ng ating pong CEO na si Ben Glinsky, kung ang Live Good, hindi mo siya magagawa as a network marketing business, it would be so hard for you to build any other network dahil si Live Good tinanggal na po ang lahat ng pahirap. Okay? With a very highly affordable